Social media was once used to share images of your meals, fuzzy highlights from a night out with friends, and general life updates with your family. But then something extraordinary happened. The influencer was born. Individuals with thousands or even millions of followers could suddenly publish a photo of themselves wearing a specific jumper, and that jumper would sell out immediately. It didn't take long for businesses to take notice. The age of social media marketing is here. Today, you can use social media to grow your entire business. Though social media is just one of your many marketing and sales channels, getting it managed correctly is critical. As a result, there is now a thriving industry of SMMAs to assist businesses in elevating their social media game. Now, one of the most commonly requested questions in the SMMA kinship: what is the straightforward way to make $10,000 per month as the owner of a social media marketing agency? Guess what? It is entirely attainable. With the right skills and complete understanding of running an agency. Yes, $10,000 every single month. Tempting, isn't it? In today's video, I'll walk you through the easiest path to set up your SMMA and start making some real deals out of it in 2023. So try not to skip, or you will miss some extremely vital stuff that I will cover in this video. Let's just delve into the topic now without wasting any more time. To make $10,000 or more per month with SMMA, you really need to understand what it really is. Well, in a nutshell, it's a B2B business model in which an agency helps other businesses reach their specific goals and maintain the type of social media presence they want. It develops and implements social media marketing strategies and campaigns for their clients. The main objective is to grow brand exposure, acquire leads, and generate sales. As the marketing landscape has evolved and altered, SMMA is responsible for optimizing, managing, and strengthening other businesses' social media channels for establishing a direct link to their customers. You may also label them as the social media experts of the digital world. With that covered, let's move on to the core of this video and unravel the steps you need to take while setting up an agency. If you're new to the world of SMMA, it can seem a bit overwhelming while opting for the services you want to offer as an agency. Social media management, paid ads, funnels, content creation, email marketing, and the list goes on. It really becomes hard to choose the right one, especially when you're starting. Anyhow, don't think about quitting so early. I've got your back. In my perspective, the best service to start with is paid ads through Facebook, Instagram, Google, and other social media platforms. Why? Well, it pays more, and every business needs it. Furthermore, it has realistic and measurable ROI. Moreover, paid ads are considered as one of the high-ticket services, which means that potential prospects are willing to pay higher if you deliver the best possible results. Now, as you've prioritized paid ads, the next step is to choose the right niche for your SMMA. Picking up an industry or a niche to target is something that requires proper market research. However, the best niche is always different for everyone. To be honest, there are several industries that can be targeted. All you need is to try a few of them until you find the one that excites you. And believe me, something that doesn't make you feel tired is the one you need to focus on. Once you find the industry you believe is right for you, you're all set to move on to the next step, and that is outreaching your potential clients. Let's explore a few outreach methods. When it comes to approaching your targeted audience, also known as outreaching, there are only 3 conventional methods used by most of the agencies, which are cold calling, cold emailing, and cold messaging. These cold outreach methods help you offer your services to the prospects that are not aware of your agency's presence in the market or have no direct link to your business, but they do fall in your targeted audience. To be honest, all 3 of these have a significant value in terms of acquiring a new clientele. But what I want you to focus on is cold emailing. Obviously, there is a reason why I'm proposing this particular method. There's always a solid reason. Do you know that 85% of the US population are active email users? These people tend to use emails even for communicating with each other, which means if you start sending cold emails to your targeted audience, there are higher chances of getting noticed. Basically, it's just the game of numbers, nothing else. However, you are required to be creative and bold while creating the design and sequence of your emails. For that, tools like ClickFunnels 2.0 is your go-to place. But why not cold calling and messaging? Well, if you're planning to make your clients shake like a leaf with an unknown contact number, you can definitely go for those methods, but don't blame me afterwards. Anyhow, the next step, the game changer, is calling out for you. As we learned that outreaching is the game of numbers, so is setting up meetings, especially when you're starting. These meetings are the actual turning point for your agency. The more meetings you close, the higher the ROI is. Want to know the secret of achieving best results? Start making yourself sound reliable and valid to sign more deals. When it comes to building your business through outreach, there's no denying that it's a numbers game. The more people you reach out to, the more meetings you'll be able to set up. And as a new agency, these meetings are crucial to your success. They represent the turning point where you can really start to grow your business. Think like this. Why would a business hire you if you don't sound trustworthy? And if you do end up giving such vibes, you can imagine anything but positive results. So let's just assume you managed to close a meeting and signed an agreement. Here's a tip. Don't charge less than $2,500 per month for paid ads. This is where you prove all the claims you made and the results you promised to deliver in the meeting. In the end, it all comes down to keeping the client content and happy in order to keep them for the long haul. Meanwhile, replicate the same method you used to win your first client. The key to scaling your agency is focusing on your habits and doing the things that are bringing you success. If you learn to enjoy the process, positive things will begin to unfold apace. That is how you'll find yourself having meeting after meeting and closing deal after deal, all the way up to $10,000 every month. Well, good luck, everyone. I really hope you achieve whatever you've been dreaming for. That's all for now, but if you enjoyed what you learned in this video, please help to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and if you want to stay up to date with our latest videos and insights, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon. I can't wait to see you all in the next video.